Hi, my name is Jon Keenan. I'm a professor in the School of Arts and Sciences, and I teach various courses in the art program: ceramics, art history, primarily the East Asian art and culture courses, history of modern art. I also teach a variety of other topic courses related to the arts, but my primary specialty is ceramics, and we have a beautiful ceramics studio where we have a class going on today, which we're really excited to share with you. This class is a ceramics class. It's a smaller class right now because of COVID, but we're all engaged. We're working in the studios at Colby-Sawyer College. Our studios are state-of-the-art. We have a brand new art and design center, which is probably the best art department and arts building in New England. It looks out on Mount Kearsarge. You'll see great views. It's an inspirational space with great light, great ventilation, wonderful students, very close contact with the professors, and students are really encouraged to pursue their creativity and their own personal vision. Most of our students go on to graduate school or work as professional artists or in museums or in the education field.
It's really calm and quiet and relaxing, and you can just come and focus on your work and just kind of forget about everything else that you have to do.
We're here, I get to come here and relax, just jot down ideas, just use something with my hands to where I'm not worried about different classes, different school assignment.
I really enjoyed this class, and now I really want to keep going even after graduation.